Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we're going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. When we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, February 15th. At 6:30 AM, we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 12:30 PM, we have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. Then at 7 PM, we have 3 high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Then at 7:30 PM, we have medium impact news planned for euro related currency pairs. So we have lots of high and medium impact news planned for most of the major currency pairs. So we can expect a little bit of volatility in the major currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we are noticing it to continuously trend on the bearish side. Even though it went on a bullish side retracement, it was only a consolidation stage. Then we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side and to continue its bearish trend. Let us see how low this trend is going to continue using the Fibonacci tool. So here I have used the Fibonacci extension tool, and when we look at the current price action, it has tested the 0.5% of the Fibonacci extension tool, which was around 1843. Then we have noticed a bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Currently, it is trying to break the resistance level of 0.38% of the Fibonacci tool or the 1854 level of the gold US dollar price level. And also you can notice that every time it tests a strong support levels, it always makes a bounce back. Then it continues its bearish trend. Again, it bounces back, and we have noticed a price action to test the next level of the support. Currently, it is on a bounce back. Whether it is going to be a trend reversal or a current trend continuation really depends on whether it breaks this resistance level of 1854. Once this resistance level is broken, we can expect it to continue its bullish side retracement, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 1868. But still it will not be a trend reversal on the bullish side, it will only be a retracement on the bullish side. And as long as the price action is trading below the resistance level of 1890, it will only be a retracement on the bullish side, and only when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1890, it will be a bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. And when we look at the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame using the channel pattern, we can notice that it is trading within this bearish channel pattern. And this midline of this bearish channel pattern is currently acting as a support line for the current bearish trend. Once this support line is broken, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is testing the resistance level of 1854. Once this resistance level is broken, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1868 and 1890. And on the bearish side, if the support level of 1844 is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1832, 1816, 1796 and 1770. The overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. When we look at the past price action in hourly time frame, we have noticed it to trend on the sideways price action, and after testing this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, we have noticed a price action to reach this support line of the channel pattern and to continue its bearish trend. And currently also we are noticing the price action to continuously trend on the bearish side. Currently this midline of this bearish channel pattern is acting as a support line for the current price action and preventing the price action from falling further on the bearish trend So if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break the support level of 1844, based on which you can freshly enter on the bearish side trade. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1868, you can freshly enter on the bullish side trade. But again, we have lots of resistance levels on the bullish side, where you have to be careful if you take trades against the current trend. But for now, the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bearish trend, as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently, the price action is taking support around the support level of 1854. And if the price action continues its bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1861, 1868, 1872, 1880 and 1890. And on the bearish side, if the price action bounces back from the level of 1854 on the bearish side, the immediate support is going to be around 1844, 1832 and 1816. It will be the continuation of the current bearish trend. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. In the past, we have noticed the price action to be trending on the bullish side, respecting this trend line or the support line from the 30 minutes time frame, and currently this support line is acting as a resistance line, and the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also in a bearish trend, as long as it is trading below this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1854 and support level of 1851. Once this resistance level is broken, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1858, 1865 and 1868. And if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1854 on the bearish side, the immediate support is going to be around 1851, 1848, 1843, 1837 and 1832. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame, and the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 15 minutes time frame. And the price action is trading between the support level of 1854 and the resistance level of 1857. Once the support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1850 and 1844. And if the price action continues its bearish side retracement, breaking this resistance level of 1857, next level of resistance is going to be around 1860, 1865, 1868 and 1870. For now, the price action in 15 minutes time frame is trading on a sideways momentum. Wait for the price action to give a direction breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side if you want to take a directional trade in 15 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.